So this is my final project for CS50. I chose to create a calculator with nice colors and buttons that are easy to use. Unfortunately, since it can be kind of hard to type in a really long expression using these buttons, I decided to make it possible for you to just type it in directly. In fact, if you want to use a JavaScript math function that I haven't implemented, you can actually just type it in directly. Now let me quickly describe my code. Up here are the functions that allow you to just type in sign instead of math.sign, and also some other custom-made functions. And here are some of the CSS classes I've described. I'll describe them in more detail later, and what they do. And here's the HTML, which builds the actual calculator, like how it looks, all the colors, what the buttons say and everything. Notice some of them have different classes than the other. This comes into use right here, where depending on depending on the class of the button, it'll execute something different. You can see to conserve time, I've defined functions for each classes, and then I go through and for each class I execute something, and then I also add this part, which allows you to type it in, and then I just execute the function for it, which makes things a lot easier. So that's it. This was CS50.